I'm sure you've heard the news. Smart glasses are no longer sci-fi, they're replacing phones. Here are the top 5 that'll make you ditch your pocket computer. Quick rankings, from useful to phone annihilator. Let's go. Number 5, Rokid. Featherweight, two-way translation, 6 hours non-stop, perfect for travel. Number 4, Halliday. Invisible micro projection, proactive info when you need it, and live subtitles in 89 languages. Low profile, huge utility. Number 3, Meta Ray-Ban display. Full color lens, neural band controls, controversial, powerful, very phone-like. Number 2, Snap spectacles. Full see-through AR, Snap OS with OpenAI inside. Could be your new computer. Number 1, Apple, rumored, seamless ecosystem, micro OLED, next-gen Siri. If Apple nails this, phones get optional. Which would you wear? Drop a comment and pick your winner.